Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. Oh wow, I can see my breath. It's really cold in here. This week I want to build a beginner's workbench. And by that I mean a workbench for somebody who does not have a shop yet. Because I remember when I got started, it was so frustrating not to have this dedicated place where I can build things and get stuff done. So I think it all starts with the workbench. So these are my requirements for the perfect beginner's workbench. I want it to be small and cheap, so even if you're not fully into it, you can dedicate to building this thing and investing around 60 bucks for this workbench. And also small enough so you can fit it in your apartment even if you don't have a shop yet. And then I want it to be pretty enough so it could pass as a table and doesn't scream workshop in this apartment environment. I also wanted to have a lot of clamping surface. You will see what I mean by that later when it's done. And I wanted to have storage, like a storage compartment where you can hide the tools if you don't need them, so it's easy to clean up. And the last thing is that I want it to be super sturdy and durable, so that even if you're not a beginner anymore, you still get a lot of use out of this workbench. These are my requirements. Let's do it. So now that I have all my pieces cut to size, it's time to join them together. And I'm going to do that with a lap joint. A lap joint is a very, very easy but still very sturdy joint. It just means if you join two pieces together, you take half of each piece off so they perfectly, snugly fit together. And the cool thing about it is that it doesn't really matter what kind of saw you have. You can cut a lap joint with pretty much every saw there is.